Welcome to Audacity Lesson 5. Today we're focusing on essential tools for precise audio editing, zoom and selection. If you're serious about clean and professional audio, mastering how to navigate and select portions of your timeline is crucial. Our hook for today is Precision Zoom, Master Timeline. Getting the right view is the first step to accurate edits. This lesson will cover zooming in for detailed work, selecting specific parts of your audio, and making those crucial fine-tuning adjustments. Let's start with the zoom tools. These allow you to change your perspective on the audio track. To quickly zoom in on your selected area, use the shortcut Ctrl+1. This is perfect for immediate close-ups. You can also use the default zoom buttons or keyboard commands to zoom out or to reset the view to fit the entire project back on screen. A detailed view is essential for noise reduction, cutting silent sections, or any intricate audio repair work. Next up, let's explore the different selection tools available in Audacity. The standard selection tool lets you click and drag to highlight any part of the waveform for editing or playback. The envelope tool is specifically used for making volume tweaks. You can draw fade-ins, fade-outs, or adjust volume for specific segments smoothly. Remember to utilize snap-to-grid functionality when making cuts or selections. This helps ensure your edits align perfectly with beats or time markers for a professional finish. The combination of zoom and selection tools gives you comprehensive control over every nuance of your audio project. In recap, we focused on gaining fine control, volume tweaks, using precision zooming, and powerful selection tools. That wraps up Audacity Lesson 5. Practice these tools to take your editing to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next lesson.